My name is Vincent Landry. Working here at MaintainX for closing up on 3 years now. I was in the implementation team as a senior implementation consultant for 2 years and a half, and I am now a solutions consultant. The most critical steps for a successful CMMS implementation, there's a few, right? Most importantly, it's really to understand what is your primary goal with the CMMS. The reason for it being, we don't want to attack everything all at once. We want to have a strategic approach. We want to make sure that we use what, I like to use as the crawl, walk, run approach. So your most important goals that you want to achieve should be what we aim towards first. So if it's making sure that you have all of your, let's say, your asset information within the system, tracking your PM plan, so anything like that can be just added to the system at first, then this is what we will work towards. Transferring data is something that is surprisingly very easy to do. And a lot of people are afraid that they will lose information during the process, or that when they do it, it will not be perfect. This is not a risk because we always have the ability to go back to, delete everything that we did, start from scratch. We can also do some updates to everything that was created or imported in the system. So it's never a one-time thing. And I think this is what we need to keep in mind for this portion of the change management. Now, when it comes to more of the frontline workers or employee resistance, a lot of time when we're introduced to a new system, it's difficult to learn. We need to look at videos, we need to have user manuals, some things like that. MaintainX itself is made for frontline workers. It's made for people that are on the floor performing work. So I would say in terms of change management, a lot of time, the only thing it takes is, just spend 5 minutes in there. Try to go ahead and complete one work order. And from there, people will realize that, okay, that it wasn't hard. In fact, it was fairly easy. So the way we approach it during the implementation is we have online training videos, super easy to follow, takes about 35, 40 minutes. You complete it, and you're 80% of an expert on MaintainX. Kind of goes back to making sure that you set goals. Very important as well. Everybody, is going the same direction. Another thing I would say is during implementation, we develop what we call the gold standard. And the gold standard is a set list of standard categories that you need to report on. It's a set list of type of equipment as well, of type of parts as well that you may be tracking into your parts inventory within MaintainX. So the alignment on those different things that will be standardized during the implementation is, to me, the most critical point for stakeholders. One, recommendation that I would have is make sure that within the stakeholders, you have people from different departments, from different, just role within the business. You should have your lead technician, for example, be a part of those discussions, because at the end of the day, he will represent, or he or she will represent the workforce that will be using MaintainX on the floor. So it's really important, in my opinion, to have their input as well on those decisions. Now, I think this is where it applies a little bit more when you have multiple sites that you want to implement with a CMMS. But having a good leadership team, and what defines a good leadership team is people that are able to go ahead and push and really drive the individual sites so that they can reach the different milestones and the objectives that are set during the implementation process.